Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud is working on your headphones QCY T13. Firstly, put your headphones to the charging case, close the case, open it again and remove your headphones from the charging case. And if it doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just put your headphones to the charging case and then press and hold connectional button until you can see that this LED light is start flashing blue and red. Here we go. Now close the charging case, click information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. After that, open the charging case and remove your headphones from the charging case. Now click on your headphones at the list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!